Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our practitioners from the Philippines. And we are very honored to have with us today a very famous practitioner from Bulacan, Santa Maria, in the Philippines. Good afternoon, Sir Mark. Good evening na
Good,
pala.
good evening po, Doc.
Okay, what is a curdy coating?
Uh, Curly cortic, it is a low stick like soybean curds, easy to scrape off.
Okay. Indications of sticky coating.
Kapag may sticky coating po, that is indications of food stagnations, dampness, and flame accumulations.
Indications ng curdy coating.
Kapag curly coating po indications, meron po itong heat damp, food stagnations, and flame.
What coating quality tells you condition of body fluids?
Pag body fluids, pag mayroong slippery coating and dry po.
Dry coating, ano indication yan?
Ang pag dry po, it is indications for heat impairing body fluids. Meron po itong yin deficiency.
What about slippery coating? Ano hindi ibig sabihin?
Pag slippery pinag-uusapan, syempre po, meron po itong water retentions, cold damp, and yang deficiency.
So pag slippery, yin, no?
Yin, yes.
Mirror tongue, ano indications ng mirror tongue? Is this something that you should be proud of? Kasi,
No, no, Doc.
okay. Ano ibig sabihin?
Um, Ibig sabihin po ito, Doc, meron po itong yin exhaustus mula po sa stomach G. Napaka-seryosong condition po ito. Without coating, parang without coating like a mirror, Doc.
Okay. Alam ko may mga patients ka na ganito and I'm sure after a few sessions, nagkaroon na ng coating, di ba? Oh,
Yes,
so,
Doc.
lahat naman ngayon, pwede mo nang kunan ng picture. If those patients will also take pictures of their tongue, nako, these patients will be yours forever. They will not go to practitioners who don't even look at the tongue. Di ba?
Ang ginagawa ko po, Doc, pinipicture ko po yung before and after results
Yeah.
po ng aking dila po. May pagbabago po talaga siya sa katawan niya, lalo na yung kulay ng dila po.
At saka na-educate yung pasyente, di ba? Oo.
Yes, Doc. Natutuwa po sila na parang nagbago. Pag na yung pakiramdam niya, sabi ko, oh, ako mas na yung pakiramdam mo. Nagbago, tingnan mo yung dila mo, before and after.
Oo, actually minsan 'di ba, mabilis magkaroon ng improvement yung coating talaga. Sometimes it only takes a few minutes, no? 30, 40 minutes. Lalo na pag tiningnan ka ni Sir Mark. May
Hmm.
ginagawa ka yatang iba. Joke. O joke lang ha. Okay.
Ako.
Body, no coating. Ano ibig sabihin?
Pag male body and deal tsaka no coating, it is that your stomach chi is exhausted.
Okay. Red body pero no coating.
Pag red body at walang coating po is stomach yin exhausted.
Ang ina stomach chi, ito stomach yin. Geographic tongue indication.
Para siyang daan, stomach chi and yin deficiency, normal persons with abnormal tongue po.
Okay. Underneath the tongue with lots of branches, the standard blue, purple, red spots around the veins indicate what?
Blood stasis po, Doc.
Very good. So dapat hindi mo
Wait lang, Doc, ha.
yeah. Are you
Wait lang po, Doc, ha.
okay? What is considered a normal tongue? Can you take over, Ma'am Trix?
Hi, Doc. Yes. Um, it's a light red body with a thin white moist coating that indicates the qi in blood and stomach qi that are sufficient, soft and a flexible body.
Okay.
The normal
Moist siya, pero hindi siya dapat wet. Kasi pag wet na yon, hindi na siya normal, no? Moist lang siya. Hindi siya dapat dry. What are abnormal tongues in a normal person?
uh, so there's fissures in the tongue teeth marks or geographic coating.
Okay. How is thin or thick coating related to exterior or interior syndrome?
So if it's a thin coating and an exterior or onset, And then thick coating, it's an inferior or severe. If there's no coating, so it's
Okay na
more
po, Doc.
More severe.
inferior.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am Trix. Pag nawala ulit si Sir Mark, paki-pitch in. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sir Mark, are we
Okay
good?
na. Yes po, Doc.
Humihingal ka pa yata. Okay. What are the different parts of the tongue sa internal organ?
Sa pag-internal organ po, yung tip yung dulo po is heart and lungs. Central, yung gitna, spleen and stomach. Yung root, kidney. Yung border po, sa gilid po, liver and gallbladder po.
Very good. Can you imagine, no, kung may pasyente ka magtatanong, bakit yung side ng aking tongue hindi na maganda? O, diba? Tapos, how I wish ganun na yung magiging level ng ating practice. No?
Diyan
Which,
po nalalaman po, Dok, yung ano. Diyan ko po nalalaman ko pag mayroong taong magagalitin tsaka matatakotin sa gilid ng dila po to.
oh, okay. Ibang klase. Yeah.
New
Connect
info.
lang. Anything
Mm-mm.
else, Ma'am Tricks?
Sabi ko lang new info.
Yeah. Nakikita mo yung ugali ng tao sa tongue lang?
Yes, Doc.
Talaga. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Which three meridian channels connect to the tongue?
Three meridian channels connected sa dila po is heart, spleen, and kidney.
Tongue coating is formed by what?
Rising sa stomach chi, Doc.
Tongue coating reflects the condition of what organs?
Kapag tongue coating po, nag-reflect po ito sa young organs, especially the stomach or digestive po, Doc.
It also reflects the conditions of the tongue coating.
Tongue coating.
Ano pa ibig sabihin ng tongue coating? Like, what does it tell us?
Kapag tongue coating po, Doc, pinag-uusapan po ito yung coating kung merong cold ang dila po or heat po
Okay.
or yun po, Doc.
Deficient
Kung may
or
constipations or chronic issue po, Doc.
tongue coating should be paano? Ano ba normal ng tongue?
Um, Thin enough for the tongue body color to be seen through it.
Okay, so dapat nakikita mo pa yung kulay ng tongue through it, no? Translucent siya. Okay, fill in the blanks. Tongue coating is formed when fluids generated in the process of the blank digest.
Uh, this is the digestion, talk about your stomach digestion, spleen, and turbid fluids po, Doc.
Okay, so the goes to the spleen to be separated into clear and turbid. A small amount of turbid fluids escapes upwards to reach the tongue to form a coating. So tongue coating primarily reflects the what?
Pag tongue coating po, Doc, is in stomach, Doc.
Other organs that play a role in forming the tongue coating.
Kasama po dito yung kidney and spleen po, Doc.
If a tongue lacks coating, this indicates
Kapag lap coating po, Doc, sabi meron tayong yin, stomach yin, and kidney yin deficiency.
good stomach chi will show what type of coating.
Um, Thin and white coating.
Weak or deficient stomach chi will show what type of coating.
Rootless of absence tongues coating, Doc.
Tongue coating can change quickly with blank conditions, and it is important to distinguish. Okay, anong klaseng condition siya mag-change quickly?
Acute to chronic po, Doc.
Okay. No, acute siya.
Acute,
Chronic, medyo
ah,
matagal, no? Mm. So it is important to distinguish whether the coating is due to acute condition or or a chronic underlying pathology. Yellow tongue coat reflects what?
pag yun lang pinag-uusapan, this has a heat conditions po, Doc.
Yellow coating in the center indicates blank.
Ang kapag sa centers po, stomach heat, chronic or acute, stomach heat po, Doc.
Yeah, a chronic or acute. The brightness of a coating can give an indication of its.
By durations, Doc.
Yeah. So kung dull ang coating, ano ibig sabihin nun? Acute or chronic?
Chronic po, Doc.
Yes. In general, so kung maganda pa yung coating, so acute. In general, the duller the coating,
Um,
anong
um, Pag general po, Doc, more chronic the conditions, Doc.
the more chronic. Tongue coating thickness and distribution give an indication of pathology affecting the
The young organs, Doc.
young organs. The sides of the tongue reflect the condition of the liver and gallbladder. A pathological body color indicates, remember ha,
Kap-
pag
Yes
body,
po, Doc.
ang body color, anong ibig sabihin nun? Nasaan yung problema?
Kapag body color, kapag sa sides po, liver yin pathology, tsaka gallbladder yung pathology po, Doc.
Pag pathology, pag coating, pag may problema yung coating, yung gallbladder, kasi young organ yung gallbladder, di ba?
Apo.
Root of the tongue represents the kidney or lower burner areas. A red color root of the tongue without coating indicates what?
Indicates po kidney deficiency, empty heat, young organs, lower burners po, Doc. Or meron siyang B cylinders or engine.
Okay. Kidney yin deficiency with empty heat. Kasi nga red na siya, no? Yung root. Thick coating at the root indicates a pathology of one of the
Um,
ano ba yung dalawang organs na nasa root ng tongue?
Kidney po, Doc.
Hindi, yung coating yung pinag-uusapan.
Lower burner.
Lower burner. Pwedeng bladder,
Ah,
pwedeng large or small intestine, di ba?
Apo.
Presence or absence of coating indicates the state of the stomach chi. A coating with root indicates that the stomach chi is blank. Even.
Still still
Kung
intact po, Doc.
papapiliin, anong gusto mo? Makapal yung coating mo, tapos ang pangit-pangit na itsura, or wala ka ng coating?
Walang pipiliin, Doc.
Hindi, kung
Walang pipiliin.
pili ka talaga, like you have to choose. You cannot, hindi pwedeng walang pili-pili.
None
Nakakatakot
of the
eh.
above.
Lahat may sakit eh.
O sige na lang, kung maganda itsura ng coating, pero makapal. Grabe ka, choosy.
Ayoko, nakakatakot.
Sabihin, kahit makapal siya, kahit ang sagwa-sagwa ng itsura, ano pa, intact pa yung stomach chi. Pero pag nakikita mo na yung reflection mo pag tinitingnan mo yung dila mo in front of the mirror, hindi
Pero
maganda.
kanang si ano, hindi maganda yun.
At
Nag-reflect ka
ano
na may
ha,
sakit ka sa
yeah, kung dati walang coating, then biglang nagka-coating after 1 week, baka may cancer metastasis ka. No? So hindi pwede yung bigla na lang tumubo yung coating. Okay? Just never mind. Baka humaba pa. Okay. A tongue without coating indicates that the stomach chi is,
severe weekend po, Doc.
and therefore,
Deficiency condition.
deficiency. Okay. Pag walang coating, deficiency. True or false?
Apo.
It is better to have a thick pathological coating na pangit with root than not to have a coating.
True, Doc.
Okay. In chronic condition, the tongue coating blank gradually over several years.
Disappears,
Of
Doc.
years. So treatment can return the coating slowly over time. So, kailangan, kung talagang gusto ka ng pasyente mo, forever na siya sa iyo, di ba?
Apo.
Kahit twice a month. If the coating appears quickly after having no coating for years. So, ibig sabihin na natin 20 years walang coating, then biglang nagka-coating. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Pag meron po siyang bad signs po, Doc, sa kanyang katawan po. Nagsisignal na yung katawan niya.
Merong cancer metastasis.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Yeah, so yon, tandaan nyo yon. Meron katulad ng mga stage 3, stage 4, no? In acute conditions like blunt diseases in children, the coating may disappear for how many days?
Peripheral diseases, nawawala pa ito na mabilis po, Doc.
Okay, in a matter of days. If a thick pathological coating suddenly disappears partially or completely, it indicates that the stomach is being,
Depleted weekly.
okay.
Eh,
So
Tsaka
ibig
yung
sabihin,
prognosis niya, Doc.
okay,
Pure
ibig
po yung
sabihin,
kanya ano.
huwag kang manlumo pag tiningnan mo ang kapal-kapal ng coating, hindi pa rin numinipis. Imposible yon, di ba? Hindi siya pwedeng Ibig sabihin, grabe na-deplete yung kanyang stomach pag biglang nawala yung coating. Okay?
Mm-mm.
So, poor ang prognosis. The tongue coating can change much more quickly compared to what?
Compared to the tongue body color, Doc,
Tagal yung color mag-change. The thicker the tongue coating,
the stronger the pathogens,
yeah.
Doc.
A coating in the center of the tongue indicates a pathogen where?
Kapag center pinag-uusapan, stomach, Doc.
Very good. A coating at the root, nasa likod indicates a pathogen in the
Bladder.
bladder. Thin coating with root.
Pag thin coating with this is indicate for healthy stomach chi, Doc.
Thick coating with root.
Uh, full condition stomach chi still intact, Doc.
Yeah, full or excess condition. Anong klaseng tongue to?
Siyempre, Doc, wala po siyang coating, Doc.
Oh, okay. Galing. Ito,
Normal coating, Doc.
okay. Kasi nakikita mo pa yung kulay ng tongue body, di ba?
Apo.
Ito,
Yan na yung thick coating, Doc.
yeah. And this one,
Ah, tongue with throat coating, Doc.
okay. Andito,
Mm-mm.
dito. Mhm. Mainit siya. Wow! Congratulations, Sir Mark. Siguro,
Salamat po, Doc.
dapat check up talaga ako sa'yo pag andyan. Good luck sa practice mo, and I hope you will continue to support the programs of PAAY. Thank you so much.